Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, my name is Llewellyn Wolmarans, co-founder and managing director of Bokone Fuels. Bokone Fuels is a wholesale licensed petroleum company. We manufacture biodiesel, supply petrol, lubricants, as well as paraffin. For you to get hold of us, please do contact 083 362 5773. Alternatively, our email address, my email address is LLEWELLYN @Bokone, it's BOKONEFUELSA.co.za. So it's Llewellyn at bokonefuels.co.za. Alternatively, you can find us on LinkedIn at Bokone Fuels, as well as our website, bokonefuels.com. The pitching experience was great, I must say, especially with the stakeholders who are here today. It's very exciting, and I did really enjoy it. Looking forward to the whole event.